How to insert footnotes and endnotes in Microsoft Word. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word and go to References. In References, you will find Insert Endnote and next Footnote. Simply click on the one you want and then select Footnotes or Endnotes. If you choose Footnotes, simply select the options given in footnotes, and if you select endnotes, simply select the options given in endnotes. Then add your number format, apply changes, and click on OK. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply click on the number and you'll find from where you started your footnote or endnote. That's how to insert footnotes and endnotes in Microsoft Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. If you have a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.